This video, backed by scientific research, delves into 7 powerful reasons to use castor oil before bed. If you want to continue receiving videos that will keep you fit and healthy, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's get started. Castor oil, an ancient and versatile elixir, holds a remarkable history of being revered for its profound healing properties across cultures and generations. The ritual of using castor oil before bedtime is a transformative practice that can revolutionize your health and overall well-being. In this comprehensive examination, we embark on a profound journey to uncover the 7 compelling reasons why making castor oil an integral part of your nightly routine can have a profound impact on your life. We will delve into the extraordinary benefits of this age-old practice, exploring how it can enhance your health, quality of life, and contribute to a more fulfilling bedtime routine. 1. Soothing pain and inflammation. The ritual of applying castor oil before bedtime is not just a soothing routine, but a profound healing practice. Castor oil is celebrated for its remarkable ability to alleviate pain and reduce inflammation. At its core, castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a potent compound that possesses both analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. When you gently massage castor oil into areas afflicted by aches, sore muscles, or joints before retiring for the night, you're allowing this age-old remedy to work its magic. The natural analgesic action of castor oil is particularly valuable for individuals who contend with chronic pain, arthritis, muscle strains, or any form of general discomfort that can severely impede the pursuit of peaceful sleep. By making castor oil a part of your nightly routine, you engage in a therapeutic process that offers not just temporary relief, but a pathway to enhanced well-being and restorative slumber. 2. Promoting restful sleep. The practice of using castor oil before bedtime transcends the ordinary. It's an ancient wellness tradition that can transform your sleep experience. The ritual of massaging your body with castor oil before bedtime is akin to crafting a sanctuary of serenity and tranquility. This unique self-massage with castor oil paves the way for an uninterrupted and deeply restful night's sleep. Castor oil's subtle yet profound ability to balance the body's energy, especially when applied to the abdomen, is believed to create an environment conducive to a more profound and restorative slumber. By incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine, you invite a sense of serenity and tranquility into your life, resulting in a sleep experience that transcends the ordinary. 3. Enhancing skin health. The miraculous impact of castor oil on skin health is nothing short of awe-inspiring. When applied before bedtime, castor oil transforms into a nighttime elixir, providing deep hydration, rejuvenation, and nourishment to your skin. It is a potent combatant against dryness, fine lines, and other signs of aging. The simple act of incorporating castor oil into your nightly skincare regimen can work wonders. When you awaken each morning, it's as if you've stepped into a fountain of youth, greeted by a supple, radiant, and more youthful complexion. Castor oil becomes the secret elixir of a timeless beauty ritual that promises ageless and vibrant skin. 4. Supporting digestive health. Digestive discomfort can be a pervasive disruptor of peaceful sleep, but castor oil emerges as a potential solution to this predicament. Using castor oil as a topical abdominal compress before bedtime is an ancient practice that is believed to improve digestion, alleviate constipation, and support a healthier gut. The result is a smoother and more comfortable night's sleep, free from the disturbances caused by common digestive ailments. With the inclusion of castor oil in your bedtime routine, you foster harmonious digestion, transforming the sleep experience into one characterized by serenity and uninterrupted rest. It's a holistic approach to health that acknowledges the intricate connection between your digestive well-being and the quality of your sleep. 5. Strengthening hair and scalp. Castor oil's reputation as a hair and scalp tonic is well-deserved. It is enriched with essential fatty acids and an array of nutrients that bestow strength upon your hair and stimulate healthy growth. When you apply castor oil to your hair and scalp before bedtime, it embarks on a night of tireless labor, rejuvenating your locks from root to tip. This natural elixir effectively addresses common hair concerns such as dandruff and hair loss. While you sleep, castor oil becomes your steadfast companion in the journey to fortified hair health. promising a more lustrous and resilient mane. 6. Detoxification. The use of castor oil packs or compresses on your abdomen before bedtime is an age-old practice with the potential to support the body's innate detoxification mechanisms. This revered ritual involves placing a cloth soaked in castor oil on your abdomen and applying gentle heat. Castor oil, renowned for its remarkable ability to draw out toxins and impurities, creates a state of internal purity. This transformative process enables your body to rest while detoxifying, facilitating a state of overall wellness. The result is a night of profound rejuvenation and unburdened sleep, a holistic approach that recognizes the value of internal cleansing and purification as a foundation for restorative slumber. 7. Combating skin issues. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of castor oil make it an invaluable asset in the battle against a spectrum of skin issues. Whether you are plagued by acne, fungal infections, or stubborn warts, castor oil becomes your natural remedy. By applying a modest amount of castor oil to the affected areas before bedtime, you empower its antimicrobial properties to wage a nocturnal battle against these skin conditions. This proactive approach ensures that you wake up to improved skin health and a renewed sense of confidence. It's a transformative practice that enhances your skin's resilience and vitality as you slumber. The inclusion of castor oil in your bedtime routine is not just a practice, it's an affirmation of self-care and a journey towards better health and well-being. By making castor oil a part of your nightly ritual, you open the door to profound healing and rejuvenation. As you apply castor oil before bed, you engage in a transformative process that transcends the ordinary and ushers in a state of holistic wellness. However, it's essential to acknowledge that while castor oil offers a myriad of advantages, individual experiences may vary. As with any natural remedy, consulting with a healthcare professional before introducing it into your bedtime regimen is a prudent step, particularly if you have specific health concerns or conditions. The use of castor oil before bed is an invitation to explore the profound benefits of an ancient elixir, a journey that promises restorative slumber, enhanced well-being, and a life characterized by tranquility and healing. It's a timeless tradition that honors the power of self-care and the value of a peaceful night's sleep. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.